Hello everyone. Today we will discussing the official cutoff for UGC Net Philosophy for June 2024 and predicting the expected cutoff for December 2024. This analysis will help you to understand how much you need to score to qualify for Net and JRF. Here, the official UGC Net Education cutoff for June 2024 as released by NTA. For general category, the cutoff for JRF it was 202 and for net 180 and PhD only required 154. For OBC non-familiar candidates, the JRF cutoff was 190 and net cutoff was 162 and PhD only required 140. For EWS candidates, 198 is the JRF cutoff and 166 is the net cutoff and 140 required for PhD only. For SC candidates, the cutoff were 188 for JRF, 154 for net, 134 for PhD only. For ST candidate, 168 required for JRF, 140 required for NET, and 124 required for PhD only. Now, let's move on to the expected cutoff for December 2024 based on previous trends. Generally, the cutoff for the December UGC NET is slightly lower than in June due to variation in exam difficulty, competition, and total applicants. Considering these factors, here is the predicted cutoff for December 2024. For general category, the expected JRF cutoff is around between 204 and 206. For net, it may be between 182 and 174. And for PhD only, it is expected between 156 and 158. For OBC, non-familiar category, we predict a JRF cutoff of between 192 and 194. For net, it is between 164 and 166. For PhD only, expected between 142 and 144. For EWS category, cutoff is likely to be between 200 and 202. Then for net, it's expected between 168 and 170. For PhD only, expected between 142 and 144. For SC candidate, we predict cutoff is between 190 and 192. For net, it lies between 156 and 158. For PhD only, it expected between 136 and 138. For ST candidate, a JRF cutoff we predict between 170 and 172. For net, it was 142 and 144. For PhD only, expected 126 and 128. Okay. This analysis, we can see that the December 2024 cutoff is expected to be slightly lower than June 2024 by around 2 to 5 marks is in most categories. However, this is just a prediction based on past events. The actual cutoff will depend upon the factors such as exam difficulty, number of candidates, and normalization applied by NTA. If you are aiming JRF, you should target a score higher than the predicted cutoff to ensure qualification. Thank you.